What's up, programmer? In this video, I'm going to explain how to use namespace in C++. So, are you tired of having to write this out in certain parts of your code? Do you sometimes forget to write this part out? Well, guess what? The solution to the situation is to use namespace. The first thing I want to mention regarding using namespace is that it generally depends on the size of the program that you are writing. For bigger programs and applications, it is generally better to just continue to program your program without using namespace, but you can still use it if you wanted to. Now, in order to not have to write this part out every time you write certain code, all you have to do is write the using namespace line with a semicolon outside your name function. It's very important that you write this line of code out outside your main function, otherwise this will not work. Make sure you write it outside the main function. Now, what this does is that it tells the compiler that you are using a specific namespace so that you don't have to type that certain part of the code again for the lines of code that you wrote. For the code that I have on the screen, we can now remove that part. When I remove that part of the code from each specific line, you can see that the compiler, in this case Visual Studio, does not give or let me know any sort of warnings regarding the code. Comment down below if you found this video helpful or you have any questions you want to ask. Now, when I run this, you can see that it runs normally. Additionally, if you have been programming for some time now and you have been creating your own functions, you want to make sure that you understand the concepts of return statements for your main function and other functions you created. I will demonstrate that in this video, so you want to go watch that video next. Anyways, this is easy syntax showing you programming made easy. Thank you for watching.